In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can download BT Sports on your LG Smart TV. Now, this is a very quick and simple thing to do, so make sure you watch this video all the way to the end so you don't miss any important steps. Now, the first thing you need to do is actually find the search button, and on my TV, I can find it right here up near the top left corner. When you click that, you'll then be able to search for BT Sports, and as you can see, the options that come up is Discovery Plus and the TNT Sports YouTube channel. And that's because BT Sports has actually rebranded to be called TNT Sports. And although there isn't a TNT Sports app, we can go to the Discovery Plus app. As we can see on the Discovery Plus app, when we open up the details, it does say that we'll be able to stream the live sports that we love on our compatible smart TVs, consoles, laptops, or mobile devices with TNT Sports channels. So if we wanted to actually access BT Sports content, we have to open up the Discovery Plus app, and from there we can look for the TNT Sports channels, which is the same as BT Sports channels, they've just rebranded to TNT Sports. So that's how you can download BT Sports on your LG Smart TV. I hope you found this video helpful, and thanks for watching.